Urugari wa kiutetiri unironekana ta ukwabatira na makiria ngwataniro-ini ya NASA iria yugite thirikari ya Jubilee ni hotorete gucokia bururi uyu matuko-ini ma kuigioterwo. Muriruki wa Federal President ngwataniro-ini ino ya mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga ni wikitie matitama ya kiuga ndakinetio ni mwigarurire wa maundu makiria kirongoreria ndereti ya Jubilee hagikite bunge-ini makienda mogaruruku ma kuramata githurano bururi-ini.
Now, instead of now complying with the law, they're now changing the law to suit their own objectives. Faced with this reality, we have no other option but to take the battle to the people. Because as you know, the Constitution says that the sovereignty in the Republic of Kenya rests with the people of Kenya.
Ningĩ Raila Odinga ni ugite ikinya ria thirikari kumutunya maabitha kia ugitiri nikioneria ati thirikari ndirathaitira ugitiri wake ta muhurani wa giturwa kia president odumwe na munini wake Kalonzo Musyoka. Oho no ugite thirikari ni iragagia atongoria ngwataniro ino akiuga muthenya wa umuthi munini wake Kalonzo Musyoka na mutongoria wa Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula ni maigiirwo mihinga ya kugena bururi wa Uganda kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta.
Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka was traveling to Uganda at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. He was told that he was not allowed to travel out of the country without express permission from the State House. He was traveling accompanied by Honorable Moses Wetangula, but they didn't have an issue with Wetangula. They told him that him and myself can only travel out of the country with express permission from the State House. That is a very, very strong statement. That is basically infringing on our freedom of travel.
Kurumirira uguo Raila riu ni ugite mirurungano ya guthaitira kihoto ni kwambikwo guothe bururi-ini kuma muthenya wa Jumatatu akiuga iyo noyo njira ya guthingatithia kihoto na wiyathi.
We are now calling our people to action. And we are saying that demonstrations, which we had planned for to start tomorrow, we have now been changed to start on Monday. And we are calling for demonstrations throughout the country, peaceful demonstrations. One, to resist attempt to impose on the people laws which are aimed at rigging the elections, the presidential elections in favor of Jubilee.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ni jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.